Hello everyone, this is AG-san and welcome back to my channel. These past few days I bred my pair of Dumbo Ear half-moon betta and then it turns out to be successful. So this video will be all about the things that I do to help the fry survive until their first feeding. Before we start, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell for more updates on my upcoming videos. So this is a plastic container that I'm using to breed my bettas, and it only holds about a gallon of water. 2 days ago, I separated the female betta from the breeding container and let the male to take care of the eggs. So today, the eggs have already hatched. But for now, we can see them clearly because they're too tiny. So our pair of betta have laid their eggs under this bubble wrap, and I hope we can have a high survival rate for our baby bettas. So these betta eggs only took around 36 hours to hatch, and I estimated that these eggs are around 200 pieces. At this stage, we will let the male betta to take care of the eggs until they're free swimming. Also, I'm hatching some baby brine shrimp to be fed to our bettas when they reach the free swimming stage. It's been already day 2 and I noticed that some of the fries are missing without any traces. So I decided to separate the male betta because he might be a fry eater. So what we're gonna do is to artificially raise the fry until they reach the free swimming stage. In this method, it is important to let them stay under the bubble nest until all the bubbles are popped. So we will transfer this male betta into a new container to let him heal his wounds. During this period, we will not feed the male betta because he is still on his breeding instinct. This behavior will last up to a few days until he fully recovers. Today is day 3 and all the betta fries are now free swimming. During the first 3 days of the betta fry, they will not consume any food because they still have an egg sac. And this egg sac will be utilized as their temporary food. After the egg sac has been fully consumed, they will start to hunt for their own food. Usually, it only takes 2 days for the betta fries to fully consume the egg sac. By this time, our fries have no remaining egg sac attached to their bodies. So today is the 4th day and the fries are barely visible now. And it is also the day that we will feed our fries for the very first time. And since the fries are now all free swimming, it's time to remove this bubble wrap. So now it's time to feed our betta fries. But unfortunately, our baby brine shrimp eggs hasn't hatched yet. So the first food that we'll be using to feed our fries are these tiny dapnyas. These are the Daphnia moinas, and it is about the same size to baby brine shrimp. These Daphnias are also rich in protein that will help the fry to grow faster. So let's feed these Daphnias to our betta fries. You can feed directly these Daphnias to our baby bettas. The water temperature of the Daphnia and the fry must be the same before you mix them together. We can let these Daphnias to thrive in this container so that our fry can have more food to consume. So today is day 5 and we'll feed this live baby brine shrimp to our betta fries. It's time to feed this baby brine shrimp to our betta fries. So again, the water of the food and the fry must be the same together. Only give a little amount of brine shrimp because on this period, our fries doesn't eat a lot. Also, always remember that you should always feed your fries sufficiently in order to grow them faster. Don't try to overfeed your betta fries. Uneaten food might decompose and rise up the level of ammonia in the tank, causing the fry to die. Don't do a frequent water change during this period because fries are more sensitive during their first week. For our next video, I will transfer these betta fries into their grow out tanks. Also, shout out to Julius Ramiro. So I hope you learned something. That's all for today and see you in my next video.